Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. In this video, we will talk about the example which we are going to create in the next two videos. In the previous video, we learned about the drive info class. So this is the example we are going to create. Once you click get drives, the drives available in your system will get displayed here. So once all drives are shown here, then you can click any specific drive. Once you click the drive, other informations are shown here. Say for example, D is highlighted and here it shows drive type is fixed in the sense it's a logical drive. And then this one is actually a progress bar. It shows how much free space is available. Here you can see this is the available free space, or we can say available space. And this green mark here shows occupied space, and the entire progress tells what is the total capacity of the drive. So this is shown here graphically, and at the same time here we will say the available space here is 48 GB. So that's what here it is indicated, 48 GB is available, and total space is 270 GB. That means from here to here it is 270 GB. So out of 270 GB, 48 GB is available. Alright, that's all here in this example. So to iterate once again, once you click get drives, it will show all the drives. Then you can click any of the drive to retrieve the information and show it here in the third part. Now let's go to the form design demo, and an empty form template is available in the video description, and you can open that and check all the property, or you can continue with this video and see list of the properties. I mean the control names, all those stuff. Now let's go to the form design demo. So here is the form, and here we have a label, and we named it as drives in the system, and this one is the list box control, and we named it as LST drives. Then we have a label, and this one is a text box, and we named it as a DRV type. This is CMD get drives. After that we have a progress bar PROG drive, and we named it as PROG drive. This is to show available and occupied space. Then we have two labels. So this one is to say how many space available, LBL available, and this one is the label to tell what is the total capacity of the drive, and we named it as LBL total. So that's all. We will add code from the we will add the code in the next video. That's all here. Thank you for watching. Bye.